Hi, this is Marsha. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. I hope you're having a great day. And today we are going to plan and make our layout for the December 2020. And this is my composition book and trying to keep it where you can see everything really nice. And I've gone through and glued 2 pages together. So these 2 pages are glued together, and that just gives it stability in the book. And these pages are so thin, so it makes it much easier if they're glued together. So I just take a basic glue stick, which is the Scotch brand that I use, and then glue them together. These are just stickers I've taken, my markers. From Stamping Up, I used the basic black and the balmy blue, and added my stickers in here from the different companies that I get them from. This was just a printout that I did and makes my little tabs here so that when I have the book closed I can find my layout. And then I just come in and I just write in the days of the week right at the top, take the marker, color that in, then do the same thing, the date with the whole monthly layout, and use the marker and just color it all in. Okay, and then I just fill it in with stickers at random, the little bullet stickers, little things telling me, to do, and then just decorate the page and fill it all in with the stickers. So washi tape and stickers. Same thing here, month at a glance, just fill it in real easily. I just used my distressing ink first, and then I came in and just made the box layout here. Same thing, just drew this in by hand. Very quick and easy to do, so it's not hard. Then when the book is closed, I know here, just go down and space out the tabs so that I can find it. So I spaced it out, open it up, there's my December. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, I know it was quick and easy, but that's all it takes. It doesn't take a whole lot, and just to go over it and show you how I did it is that quick and easy to do. And I just wanted to share that with you, and thank you so much for being here with me today. In the next video, we're going to be making our word sentiments to use in our junk journals. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and here's some that I've already been working on. So we're going to make those up and collect them, and I'm going to show you all the different ways to do it and where to find your words so that you don't have to buy them, but you can make them yourself. So thank you so much, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell for notifications, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps me out. And then we will be doing a 300 subscriber giveaway once I hit 300 subscribers, which we're at 210 right now. And then I will be giving 5 prizes away for the 300 subscriber mark. So let's really put a big push in this, and together as my community here at Markets of Sunshine, we can reach 300 by the end of December. So thank you so much. That's only 3.5 subscribers a day. So I think we should be able to do that together. And I know I have a great little community here, and I really appreciate your support, your loyalty, your friendship that we're already getting connected here in the community, and just supporting creatives during this very unusual and difficult and stressful time. So creating is a joy, and so being here on my channel, I will share so many creative ways and ideas with you that you may not think of. And so always remember laughter and stay in the sunshine. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.